Hi guys, well my young fella's enjoyed drifting so much he decided he needed to save up and buy his own car, so instead of getting something classy like a VA Falcon Ute, he bought this gem. 1998 AU Falcon with a 240,000 Ks on the clock. I'm gonna take it off the trailer and we'll check it out. While we're waiting for Nathan to untie it, we'll do a bit of a walk around. Look at those 20-inch rims. I think they're 275s. How'd they fit those suckers under there? Anyway, looks to be sitting at factory height, nice and high. Oh, young fella, sticker bombed dash. Look at that work of art. Hey, it's reasonably tidy. Bit of love on the armrest, but interior is pretty neat for an old girl. Bit of clear coat off, bonnet everywhere, bit of hail damage, bit of love. Wow, look at those rims, that's insane.
What?
Tail lights, sexy, nice. Let's see if it'll start. Gauges work. I didn't notice how quickly the oil got up, but it sounded all right. Sweet. Come on, son, let's get this beast off. Stop mucking around. You know I'm going to get you to drive it off the trailer.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah, yeah. Let's do the first mod. Sticker. Yeah. That knife. Alright, young fella's going to take the car off the trailer. His first go at it. Who knows what'll happen. Okay, you got it in reverse. That's it, nice and gently. Perfect. That's it. Looking good. That's it. Nice and gentle tilt, slowly, just keep it under control. That's it, it's all good. Doing a good job. Nice and gentle, don't turn that wheel, just keep it the way it is. You're good, just keep it going smoothly. That's it, well done. Backs down, keep it like that. Looks good, perfect. You're good. Yeah, lucky that tyre's fat over there because we're half hanging off. That's great. Look at you go. This thing's sweet. Stick it in first. That's it. Only gear you need. Down the hill. What a weapon. Even the brake lights work. Hopefully the brakes work too, because he's got to stop down there. Yeah, couldn't help himself. Did a skid straight up. Righto, right there. We go up the back. Did a skid already. You've been in it for 60 seconds. Good work. Alright, we've cleared a bit of room up the back. Young fella wants me to show him what it can do, so let's do a skid on the grass. Don't hit anything. You'll just be disappointed if you do.
Yeah.
Let's have a look under the bonnet. You got it in park, haven't you? Look at that clean, tidy engine bay. Very nice. No oil pissing out onto the alternator. Excellent. Pop the boot for me, we'll see what little surprises are in the back. The remote works for the boot. Wow. Oh, look at that. Come with skid rims. Grill, coolant tank. What do we got there? Coil pack. I've just put a new coil pack in it for us. Bonus. Oh, wow. Unreal. Are you happy?
Yes.
They've put a new boot lid on. Look, that's the original green. That boot lid, I think they rust out a little bit in the back. This one is very straight. Awesome. Now we'll weld up the diff, get rid of these 20-inch rims, and get the boy out drifting. Let's go.